That cinnamon essential oil is another one of my favorites. This one's derived from the inner bark and leaves of the cinnamon tree, and it has a real warm, sweet fragrance. This is another one of my favorites to use in a diffuser at home. It regulates blood sugar levels, it helps with the insulin, it reduces inflammation. This is a very, very powerful oil. And because of insulin is the hormone responsible for the metabolizing carbohydrates and fats, this is something that is very, very good to use in helping with your converting, the sugar to energy, and you know how the body stores it as fat. So when cells in the body stop responding to insulin, this is a condition known as insulin resistance, the body begins to store the fat instead of burning it. This is what happens when we all go through menopause and midlife. So this results in weight gain, and it becomes very difficult to lose weight. And so now we are finding that those who have a high blood sugar level or their insulin levels are not right, this is what leads as a precursor to type 2 diabetes. And so cinnamon is another one that you might want to introduce and use if you feel like this is something that you're experiencing, that you need a little bit of a boost and kick to get your body in sync and help you lose weight. So we are discovering, because of our diet and lifestyle, that up to 25% of Americans are affected by this. And there is a number of disorders that are coming along following after it, with the glucose tolerance, the obesity we're seeing in people, the insulin resistance, the high blood pressure, high blood sugar, high blood cholesterol. And these are all the things that, we need to be watching and be careful of. So cinnamon essential oil is one that would help to inhibit the production of those molecules. And this can be a very important factor in preventing weight gain in the first place. I wish I had thought of this a year ago when I began to go through my menopause and began to gain weight and couldn't lose it. So we need to not only incorporate physical activity, diet change, but we also incorporate these into our lifestyle. And I think this is probably one of the easiest ways to do that.